Hello everyone, it's Peter here. Guys, in today's episode we've got a continuation of this hard drive which we had. It was a last year designed by FA Porsche, which probably you see in the title. So let's put this one aside and let's take the good part out. So here is the hard drive, okay? And we don't need to do much apart from that we know we've got a problem with this board. So what I did is I've analyzed which components were faulty. I don't know if something else is faulty or if all of them are faulty. They are just showing fault. So if you want to look, ouch, I shouldn't poke myself with this. It's really, you know, problem, yes. So okay. Let's cut it open, it will be quicker. And let's see if that came, if we've got the same hard drive. Because if came, we can replace. I can pause, I can replace the board. Oh, actually no, it's a quick one. Okay, they've sent something like a hard drive, that's a good thing. Ouch. Man, I've got blood, but it's not a lot, so it's okay. Great. So yeah, I've decided to order second hard drive because I didn't know the values of those components, and customer always can have a spare one if he wants. Or connect it to that case and use it, yes. Okay, so let's see if now I need to mark it somehow because I will forget. That's the faulty one. So let's put F with this even. Here do we have? Yeah, we got. Okay, that's fine. So we've got this one and model T722 525 DLAT. Awesome. Yes, so we've got this one faulty, but with a data which customer wants, and we've got this good one which is supposed to work. Now the first question is, we should plug this one in. So I'll grab the adapter and we will plug it in and we will see if we can see this drive. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm hitting the power button. We should see something here if we can find it. Wow, that was a loud noise. And yes, we've got classic SL. $232 gigabytes, yay. And let's get the PC. Well, show more properties and manage. I don't like what they've done with this disk management. Okay, so okay, it's recognizing, it's showing Acer like it would be from an Acer computer, but it's fine, it's showing, so it's okay. It's okay, as long, you know, as long as it's working, we're happy. So let's switch it off. Disappeared. Let's do the same thing with the second drive, which is faulty one. So we know this which one came, it's okay. Let's do the same stuff with this now. And we know we've got faulty components, so it shouldn't be, yeah, okay. It shouldn't be recognized. Spinning. Didn't do this weird noise. It has different sound. And as we see, we can't see it. Okay. because of course we had the problem with yeah, exactly. Okay, the Acer was my one, so it's okay. So this PC, yeah, that's okay. Okay, no problem. We see that we have a problem with accessing data on this one. We see that we had okay, you didn't see, but I've seen the one USB drive here, which is okay. You can do, oh, now you will see everything. So what I can do right now is we can go and use this board from this drive to this, yes, to this faulty one, and see if we can see if that one will work. So all we need is a hex screwdriver, hex tip. Okay. Ooh. Is it the one? No, that's too small. Is it the one? Yep, that's the right one. Let's put it back. It's just 4 screws, so I'll pause it and I'll unscrew them. Okay, so you get first one out. Why, you don't want to go out? Ooh, guys, there is something blocking it, which is loose, and it should go out. Yeah, okay, this went out. Ah, okay, you need to do like that. So you can't just lift it up, you need to do like that, and then take it in this side. So we get a faulty board here. Okay, I'll put it here. Now we've got the drive which we need to put this board onto. I'll unscrew this board. Okay, let's take this board out. Now we know how to do it. Let's put this good board inside this fella here. I need to unlock the, okay. Ooh. Yeah, the cable here is not the best, but it's okay. Fits. I'll put those screws back and then I'll unpause the recording. Okay, so we've got this eBay hard drive which came here. We got that faulty board, and we've got this. Now before turning it on, okay, because I could right now and it wouldn't be a big of a problem, I want to check this board. Okay, and for what? I want to check if I will see any shorts, like I had here shorts. Okay, so I think this, no, that's not, no, okay, that's weird because I had shorts here, and I remember that this board had shorts. Okay, that's weird. Okay, no shorts. For some reason, I've got no idea, but this has no shorts right now. So 201 on the small chip here, 201, the same thing. Okay, here is a coil, Okay, this coil went on. Yeah, same story. Okay, well, in that case, if there's no problems, that's okay. So we know that those pins which are connecting here from the whole hard drive shouldn't connect any issues. Yes, that's only what I was worried about. Now, no bent pins, no bent pins. Okay, so if there's no bent pins and if there's no shorts after doing what we've done, I'm happy to connect it. And let's give it a bash. How do you bet? Will be a win or will be no win? I won't leave it in the title. Why I've done it, I've got no idea. Expand. Oh, why I need to expand. Yeah. So it doesn't see. Okay, let's manage it. So show more options. I'm not used to the Windows 11. It's loading this configuration. Okay, you must initialize. Why? I must initialize. Okay. Okay. I'll cancel it. You know what can happen? Maybe just it's in the different, because it's unknown, not initialized. Maybe it's a different system like Mac OS. That would make sense. Okay, I can show you. Computer management, that's the one. Okay, so it does show an additional one like here. You see it's disk free. Oh, sorry, you don't see it. Now here it's disk free. Okay, Acer is my one. I forgot, I've got an Acer Predator. That's okay. Yes. Data, that's my second hard drive. Yes, which is 1 terabyte. And then I've got another SSD, and that's NVMe. This one is NVMe. I've got SSD for Linux, and I've got those 4 partitions right now healthy. So that would make sense because you've got root, you've got home, you've got swap. Yes? Or I'm talking rubbish. You've got and recovery. Okay, so you've got root, home, swap partition, and recovery. So 4 partitions, that would be okay. So yeah, I need to switch to the Linux and check if that's the case. But in this case, we can see that it's recognizable. So I can let customer know that he can pick it up, and I can test in his enclosure. I don't know if that enclosure is fine, but in that case it's recognizable. So fingers crossed on his Mac will be okay. I will check it on Linux anyway, just to be on the safe side, but for now we've got a fix. I can say I'll confirm it with the Linux, and if I'll be happy, I'll post this video then. Okay, I won't be posting this video until I will be 100% sure that we did what customer want. If no, we will just not record this video and it won't be posted on YouTube. Guys, we got a 14-minute video. You see how to replace the main board. Yes, how to check for shorts as well. Why to check for shorts after replacing the board on capacitors. Yes, because if you won't check for shorts, then what's happening if the hard drive itself here, not the electronics, causing the short to the electronics, then you can make faulty another board. Yes, So just keep it in mind. You shouldn't just blindly swap boards and work not, whatever. Yes, no, first when you swap these boards without plugging in, please check on capacitors for shorts. Once you know that there is no shorts, you know that those power rails automatically they don't have shorts. That's why it's displayed as all the partitions. That's why we've got to fix. I don't know only about the content, yes, but we've got to fix as we see these partitions, yes. So that's the way, that's the proper procedure for me, yes. If you know better procedure, please tell me. But for a number of years, like decades, 2 decades actually, I never had issue when I've done by using this technique. Before, yes, at the very start, I was just blindly checking them, and I burned just one board, yes, and I had to replace components. So that's why I've learned it, that when you swap these boards, yes, you need to check for shorts first, and then you're on the safe side. Guys, thank you for watching. You've got a 15-16 minutes video. Hope you've got some value out of it. To those who liked or subscribed, thank you guys, thank you very much. I'm just short like 4 more subscribers and I will have 100 people, and I can change the title of the YouTube channel. Yes, that would be awesome to see one day. So fingers crossed it will be happening within 1 week time. Yes, because it's 96, it's unbelievable. You know, I know I've got no value out of it. I don't have a single penny, but it would be nice to change this YouTube channel name. So thank you if you did like or subscribe. Thank you to you. Yes, likes to you guys. But that's it in this video, and hopefully to see you somewhere in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.